hope you enjoyed reading Dennis and the Dream Factory from last week. And if you'd like to finish it, please click on the link below or find the link on our hero post from this morning. Finish the story and then share with us what you thought of the ending. And if you could write the ending again or change it, what would you change it to? For today's lesson, we're going to be continuing to focus on the main idea and trying to figure out what the main idea of a text is. This is the most important part of reading, is to figure out the main idea of a text or story. Let's read this passage together, and then we're going to stop and think about what is the main idea and to think of one supporting detail which tells us more about the main idea. Holly's mother had told her to clean her room before her birthday party. She needed to clean up space for more gifts before she could bring any into the house. She spent the whole day sorting out her toys so she had plenty of room. All of her dolls went into one bucket. All of her puzzles went into another. She put all of her stuffed animals on her bed and lined up her toy cars and trains all around her room. By the time her party started, her room was spotless. Quickly chat to someone or write down on a piece of paper what you think the main idea is and write down one detail which supports the answer, which supports it. Well done. If you wrote something along the lines of Holly tidied her room for her party as the main idea, then you were right. Can you think of one detail which supports it? I would have said that she had spent the whole day in her room cleaning and that by the time her party started, her room was spotless. There's quite a couple of details which can support your answer there. Let's do another one together. Evie pulled a face and looked down at her plate in disgust. She couldn't believe her mom had made dinner with every single one of her least favorite ingredients. There was yucky cucumber and lettuce covered in sticky mayonnaise. Mom had even put tomatoes on the chicken and carrots on the side. To make matters worse, dessert was rice pudding. Even Evie hated rice pudding. This was the worst meal ever. Quickly write down on a piece of paper again the main idea and one detail which supports the main idea. So if your main idea was that Evie didn't like her meal, you were right. And one detail which supports it, I would choose that Evie pulled a face and looked down at her plate in disgust. Or right at the end, this was the worst meal ever. When we look at texts, we also sometimes have pictures or illustrations, and from that we can get a lot of information. So if we look at this picture, what do you think the main idea of this picture is? Quickly write down on your piece of paper the main idea of this picture and one detail which supports the main idea. Remember to pause the video as you work. Great, so if your main idea was that the man has climbed a mountain, you were right. And any supporting detail? I would say you could see he's high up in the sky with all the clouds in the background. He has a tent. Right. The following two activities I would like you to do by yourself. Read this passage, then pause the clip and write down the main detail, the main idea, and then write down one detail which supports the main idea. Then I'd like you to look at this picture And can you write one statement which gives you the main idea of the picture? And write down one detail which supports the main idea. Please share these answers with us by taking a photo of your page or typing it into your Hero feed. We look forward to seeing what you had to say.